In this video, I will teach you how to dance the Shakira Dai Dai choreography in just 8 minutes plus a recap.
I'm flipping the camera so then you can mirror me. So we start in that pose here with the right leg bent, bow on the right hand. The first 8 counts, we don't do anything, you just wait. At the second AOA, we're gonna start walking 7 steps forward. I don't have space here. I'm gonna do 4 walks in place, and then I'm gonna do the other 4. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 7, 8, side and side, and stop here. We are gonna place the ball on the floor. And 1, 2, and 3. Now, and 4 and 5, open the chest, but we are gonna have the arm here. You can little point your fingers, not a point finger, but it's like more a hip hop thing. So just slide here. Now, when we do to the right, when you open the chest, and then we close and contract a little bit. So open, and contract. The next part, we're gonna do 1, 2, and 3 to go down. But this time, we have right heel up, turn out your right leg. You're gonna raise your right arm, everything's the right side here. Keep pointing your finger here, and you're gonna go down, fold. So you have 3 counts to get there. 3. Now you're gonna do the tum, 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 but here, down. You're gonna switch the knees. One bend and the other one is straight. Tum, tum, tum. When you switch, your hip automatically is gonna go up, but you keep down and you can look forward. Let's pick up from the first and second part again, okay? And 1, 2, and 3, tum, 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 tum. 6, 7, 8. And now, turn out that leg. And 1, 2, and 3, tum, 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 tum. 6, 7, 8 this time. The next part is gonna be that part here. The left arm goes down first and the right elbow goes up. And switch, and switch. The count is gonna be 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And the legs now. We're gonna open both legs, but the one that's gonna turn out more is the one with the same arm going down, which means is the left one that's gonna open more first. And you can have both heels up just a little bit. It's gonna be easier to do that action. When we do that, we also use our torso. We open the chest, and when you switch, you contract a little bit here, your core, and then you open again. So you are moving the whole time. Legs and arms at the same time now. Start with your left side. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Yes? From here, you're gonna place your right ball, place your weight on top of that leg. And now think about your chest leading that movement. So the chest are gonna make you go there. So you're gonna go, and then you're gonna turn to the other side, but the other side is smaller. Smaller movement, you don't need to accent that side too much. The accent is to the right side. And we do 4 times, and it's a little fast. So, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Also, I'm doing chest and contract and chest and contract. Now, you pick up your right leg and place your right ball. This is a very nice accent they have. Tum, tum, and it's strong. And then you do that with your arm, showing your muscles. Yes? And from here, move your right knee 4 times. Tum, 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 tum. And then it's like you pretend you are kissing your biceps here, right? So from here you did 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And here try to do and 8. So look, breathe, and then you turn your head. From here we close our legs, and now the arms are gonna go turn here and up, turn and up. And this is fast. So from here, and Dai Dai. Now down, turn, and place your hands on top of your hips here. And this is Iko. Then you do 2 body rolls. From here, tum, and dai dai, iko. Now that part, the last part, tum 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 tum. Let's try to do facing the front first. Just do that with your arms. 3 times, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now the leg, you're gonna move your weight on top of the right side, right leg. So it's gonna be 1 and 2 and 3. You can be in the ball of your foot here, and you can turn that knee out a little bit each time. The first one, you are normal here. The second time, you bend more, so you're gonna be a little lower. And then the third time, you're gonna be up again. So it's gonna be up and down and up and down and up. But this is gonna be facing the side. Dai dai. 2 rolls, iko. Dale, ale, let's go. And then we are gonna close. The ladies are gonna do the booty part. The guys, they are just gonna stay facing the front, separate legs, and they are gonna do the same movement with the right leg. In the last count, 3 last counts, the guys, they do right, left, right arm. Now, the ladies, the foot is the whole time marking the rhythm of the song, yes? So we have 4 counts in place. So we have a parallel position here. So we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then a little forward, 5, side, 6, a little back, 7, and 8 to the side again. So again, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, front, side, back, and side. And then you're gonna pick up our right foot. You're gonna bend and a little hop. We're gonna switch side, yes? So, and here. And you're gonna do that 5 times. Right, left, and then faster. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, 2 is slower and 3 faster. The second time you do this with the head. Look back and look forward. And then you have 3, 4, and the last one you do the same. And 5. The arm and the body are gonna go forward. So it's like in attack mode. On here, we finish here. 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Yes, the last part now. Face the front again. You're gonna sit on top of your right hip, left heel up, and then you're gonna switch to the other side, just that. Right and left is when you do the Cleopatra hands. Right, left, right, and then the tum-tum move your pelvis forward. It's not to the side, it's diagonally forward. In the count of the music is dai dai, tum tum, iko, tum tum. Yes, one more time. Dai dai, tum tum, iko, tum tum. From here, both legs straight. The left arm is gonna be square here. The right arm is gonna do like a bow. It's like a bow to the right diagonal, and then to the front, and then up. And the left hand in your hip. And this is the end. Oe, oe, e, oe, 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 e, oe. And 1, 2, and 3, tum, 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 tum. And up. And 1, 2, and 3, tum, 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 tum. And close. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, faster. 6, and 7, 8. Now the 4, faster. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Now, dai, dai. 2 rolls, iko. Dale, ale, let's go. Dai, dai. Iko. Dale, ale, let's go. And then is the bow arrow part. Dai, dai. Iko. Dale, ale, let's go. And last part, dai, dai. Iko. Dale, ale, let's go. I hope you liked this tutorial. And if you did, please click in the like button and subscribe. Just keep dancing, and I see you next time.